If you're looking for a home that is in a gated community with high-end finishes and mountain views at every single corner, this is definitely a home you want to check out, and it is listed for under $1 million. Okay, so let's check it out. Over in this area, you can have, of course, this beautiful piano, but if you don't have a piano like this, you can go ahead and customize this to be your dining area. Look at the accents that you have in this space. I mean, look at the views from every single corner. This is definitely a masterpiece. You have your fireplace. And over to the left side, we're going to have our granite countertops, our kitchen. Everything that we could look for is here, and you still have your breakfast nook with these gorgeous views. Over to this side of the backyard, you have an area where you can do some cooking. You have your outdoor fire grill, but it connects you to the rest of your garden. Okay, so now let's check out the rest of the home. Okay, let's check out the master bedroom because this is definitely something you want to see. Imagine waking up to this. I mean, it's gonna be a little hard to wake up, but the vibe of the room is beautiful. The tranquility that you feel here is unmatched. You have your cabinets, granite countertops, soak-in tub, standing Roman shower. And this massive closet. Okay, so now we've seen where you're going to stay, but let's see the rest of the house where your guests or maybe kids are going to stay. I really enjoy that everything is separate in this layout. Before we go downstairs, really quick, I want to show you how everything is separate. Over here, we're going to have your laundry room area, and we're also going to have a guest bathroom and access to your garage. Okay, now let's go check out the rest of the house. So now over here, we're gonna have a bathroom. Before we check out that bathroom, this is an additional space that you can convert into a loft area, an office. I mean, the possibilities are endless, and you have access to your backyard from this access point, which is really nice. Both of the rooms that we're going to be viewing right now actually have access to the backyard area. Now, let me show you the bathroom and the extra 2 bedrooms that we're going to have in this floor. As you can see, every single bedroom has a massive square footage which really gives you the opportunity to either set up more beds here in case you have more little ones, or in the event that you have a guest that's staying over and you want to set up some seating areas, you definitely have the space to do that. Now this is the final bedroom, and personally it's one of my favorites because not only do you have your views in every single window, you have a bathroom, and you're also going to have a bonus room inside this room, which is going to give you access to either create it as your gym area, maybe your creative space, your meditation room, whatever you feel called to do in this room. And you have another access point to the backyard. Just imagine taking a sip of coffee in the morning in this area. Definitely the vibe. And you have a closet in this room as well. Now let's go ahead and head back upstairs. Okay guys, so let's check out the balcony because these are some views that you definitely want to check out. And as promised, check out these views. I mean, imagine just sitting here with your significant other or by yourself and enjoying these views from every single angle. Now, as we mentioned, this property is currently listed for sale. It is actually listed for $915,000. It is a 3-bedroom with the bonus rooms that we saw, 4 bathrooms, and it has over 3,000 square feet. Now, we have people just like you that are relocating into El Paso, and they reach out to us because they want more guidance. They want more information. So we've created a relocation guide, which is actually listed on the description of this video. So with that being said, whether you're looking to move in a month or a year, we would love to assist you. I'm a local team leader here in El Paso, and I'm also an investor, so it is extremely important for me to understand the market to really guide you in this decision. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you guys on the next one.